steering.
You could be doing that. First order of business is getting reasonable tires on here. PB blastered, wire brushed the threads, so it's going to take just some muscle to get these wheels off. A little background music here. First step, taking off the carburetor, and good news, nothing is stuck. Everything functions. Throttle, choke, nothing stuck in there, so we'll see what happens. So, some progress on the Power Wagon. We've got the engine all back together. Let's see, we're connected up to a bottle. Tried to start it yesterday. Spark is a little bit weak, so we got to do a little bit of distributor troubleshooting stuff. Got water in the radiator, everything holds. Gasoline going in the carburetor, no leaks. It's looking good so far.
Do you need two hands or?
No.
Or
Just make it look pretty somewhere.
make it look pretty? Is there like an effect studio we can run this through? Editing?
Oh, maybe.
laying like a sieve.
Oil?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
But I mean that's cool. I like it. She's dirty.
It's